If you want to view sent follow request on Instagram, then this video is for you. When we try to follow a private profile, we have to send a follow request. Sometimes if the person has not accepted, it stays pending. So if you want to learn how to cancel this follow request, then watch this video till end. Let's start. At first, click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, click on the menu just like me and tap on your activity. After that, scroll down and find download your information. Let me clarify that there is not any direct way to view whom you have sent follow request. You have to download your data from Instagram, which is usually around 100 KB in size. After that, click on request or download. Then choose your profile. Instagram will provide options for which data you want to download, such as recent searches, events, comments and more. You need to select followers and following among them. Now submit the request. Then Instagram will send you a mail with a zip file of that data. Wait for few hours.
The next day.
Open your Gmail and locate the mail you have received from Instagram. Click on the link provided. A page will appear like this. Enter your password and download the zip file. After downloading, extract the file and look for pending follow request HTML file. In there, you will see the list of people you have sent a friend request to. If you like this video, please do subscribe and thanks for watching.